Changing Monzo's card delivery address is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, launch the Monzo app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Log into your Monzo account using your username and password, or any other authentication method you have set up. Navigate to the account settings or profile section of the app. This is usually represented by an icon or your profile picture in the app's interface. Look for an option related to updating your personal information or address. It may be labeled as address, personal details, or something similar. Input your new delivery address in the appropriate fields. Ensure that you provide accurate and complete information. Before confirming the changes, double-check the new address to make sure it is correct. This is crucial to ensure that your Monzo card is delivered to the right location. Once you've entered and verified the new address, look for a Save, Confirm, or a similar button to apply the changes. Follow any additional prompts that may appear. The app may provide a confirmation message or notification that your address has been successfully updated. Review this information to ensure the changes were saved.